So today, customers, we are going to tackle about the common and paulit-ulit na topic since elementary until college. This is climate and weather gossips. So right now, we have a very cutesy, very demure, and very hardworking guests. Without further ado, let us welcome the students gossipers.
So, thank you, ma'am. My name is Dwight Aranes. I'm from first year college, Bachelor of Science in Social Work, and I'm your future social worker.
My name is Junai Shamonte, first year college in BS Social Work. So, your future social worker.
So, weather and climate are both related to the condition of the air around us, but there are differences how long they last. Weather changes quickly while climate remains the same for many years. So, weather is the short-term condition of the atmosphere, including temperature, humidity, wind, and rainfall, which can change with minutes, hours, or days. Climate, on the other hand, is a long-term average of weather in a place over decades and determines what kind of weather is normal in a region. For example, in the Philippines, there's a tropical climate with wet and dry season.
Why do you think it is important?
And bigger environment issue like climate change. Climate change is happening because pollution and human activities are making the earth warmer. This is causing unusual water patterns such as stronger typhoons, longer droughts, and rising sea levels. If the climate continues to change, it could affect food production, wildlife, and even human health.
Okay, I see. So thank you so much for that wonderful answer. So let us proceed to this beautiful music girl. What do you think is the major factors that affect weather and climate? So actually, there are four major factors that influence both weather and climate. So the first one is the latitude. Latitude actually influences both temperature and precipitation patterns contributing to the general climate of a region. So, for example, that is the Amazon rainforest in Brazil. So, the second one is the altitude. So, altitude is having higher region typically experience cooler temperature. It may also have different precipitation patterns that due to changes of air pressure and moisture content. Like for example, is the city of La Paz, Bolivia. So the third major factors of that influence is ocean currents. Ocean currents influence coastal climates, including temperature, precipitation, and humidity. They are also playing a role in the atmosphere systems like El Nino and La Nina. So the next one is the fourth major factors that influence both climate and weather is the human activities. Human activities cause changes in temperature, weather extremes such as more intense storms or droughts, and shifting climate zones. Urbanization can also modify local weather patterns, creating urban heat islands. So that's all. Okay, so indeed, human behaviors can also affect our weather and climate. So let's proceed to the next question. I am indeed curious. What do you think is or how does the weather variability
thank you for your wonderful question. So, weather refers to the atmospheric condition at a specific place in time. So, it includes like temperature, precipitation, wind, and humidity. And it can change from day to day or even hour to hour. So, climate refers to a long-term average of weather patterns in a particular region over a much longer period. So typically 30 years or more, climate change represent the overall trends and patterns like whether a region is generally warm or cold, or dry or wet.
Okay, so there is really a big difference between the two. Thank you for your answer. But how does weather and climate patterns affect our health, agriculture, and daily activities?
So, there are the five major impacts humans have on the environment include as deforestation, global warming, overharvesting, and agriculture.
Okay, so there's really a big impact on our agricultural health and daily activities. Thank you for your answer. And this has been such a great discussion. But before we wrap up, let's do a quick lightning round. What's one thing that people can do to help climate change? So, Dwight, you go first.
So be mindful of energy, use turn off lights, unplug devices.
Educate ourselves and spread awareness.
Get involved in community projects like tree planting.
It is support sustainable brands and reduce waste.
Love it. Thank you all for sharing your insights and thank you gossipers for tuning in. If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave us a review. Until next time, stay curious and stay informed. Nature can talk. What would it say? Shh.